All right, so as you guys can see, we've taken the production gauge cluster and we've actually, since this is an electrified vehicle, we've replaced the majority of the gauges. So our tachometer is now a power and regen gauge. We've got a gauge displaying the torque distribution to showcase some of our controls. We've got a power electronics and motor temperature gauge. We've got a battery temp gauge. And then we've got, of course, a state of charge gauge along with the speedometer. Over here on our HMI, we can control different demo modes. Like I said, outside, we've got a trailer, so we've got it in tow mode, but we've also got other features, a dynamic mode to showcase, a winter sort of demonstration, high performance handling capabilities. This unit does have an axle locker for our off-road events. I can turn on and off the front drive, whether it be all-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive. We can showcase creep and launch mode, a couple of our drivability features, along with, like I mentioned, our regen braking setting. So yeah, let's go out on track. So we got a 10,000 pound trailer. Just wait until we're clear. All right, let's go. So we're on a racetrack with a 10,000 pound trailer, so I'm going to make sure I hit all of my apexes. But what you can see as I get on the power coming out of this corner is we've got ample power, ample torque for a load like this, considerably more power than the production application. And not only do we have that peak power, but given the changes we made to the inverter, along with the oil and water cooling and some of the optimization that went into that, we're able to do these sorts of high power continuous load events continuously for instances like Ike's Gauntlet, Davis Dam, those really long sustained towing environments, which put a lot of stress not just on EVs but in ICE applications. Being on a racetrack with a trailer, we probably should not slide the truck around too much, but we're capable through our drive controls to do things that you can't do with the traditional all-wheel drive system. I can overspeed individual axles, which gives us another knob to turn in terms of adding additional vehicle stability and vehicle safety, as well as performance benefits. I am in tow mode, so I can, on liftoff, I don't even have to use the brakes to slow this down a 7% grade. We'll pull out front and we're going to do an acceleration pull.